Hello, Ramblers, and welcome to Rambling Roses RV. I'm Dan.
I'm Darcy.
And we are here with New Year 2026. We've got some new content coming. It's been a little slow the last little while. We've had a lot of things going on. I think a lot of people do, but the RV season tends to be a little slower this time of year, right?
Yeah, no, it does.
Everyone's got them all tucked in their winter storage areas. Everyone's waiting for spring to get here so we can get back out and have some fun. And you can count us among that number. But we're starting out early. It is January, but we've got some big plans. We are headed to
Tampa!
As you can tell, the Florida RV Super Show. Some people call it the Tampa Show, but it's actually the Florida RV Super Show.
But it's
which is in
Tampa. Yeah. Okay.
And so why Tampa? We've gone to Hershey Show twice in a year. Tampa for a few reasons. Number one, we've never been. I think it's going to be really fun. Number two, at the Tampa show, I think you're going to see more of the new models that we missed at Hershey. Right after Hershey, it's always in the fall. Then they have the dealer open where manufacturers have all the dealers come out, get together, show them a bunch of new models, new standards, features, floor plans. Some of those are at Hershey, some of them aren't, but by the time Tampa runs around, I think a lot of that is already filtered through and started to hit the market. Some of the ones we're going to see, or the new ones, are already starting to show up at some dealerships, which is fun because when you hear about it, you can actually find it without having to wait for 6 to 8 months for it to actually show up.
Okay, so here's a reason why I'm excited for all those reasons as well. But one reason that I'm really excited to go to Tampa is because there really are going to be a lot of content creators that we really admire, that we watch their channel. They've inspired us to, want to start a channel. And a lot of them are going to be there at Tampa. And I'm excited to just meet them, shake their hand, say hi, and tell them that we appreciate their content because it's a lot of work. And we've learned so much from so many of them about RVs, about content creating, and I'm just excited about that. That will be really something really fun. We already have a bunch of people on our calendar that we're going to go visit with in the influencer tent while we're there.
Got a bunch, and we love them. They are the funnest people.
Yeah, they're just good people. They want everybody to be successful, and it's just a really nice group. So we are excited to do that. Also, just let's be perfectly honest. In Utah right now, it's 30 degrees. So going to Tampa in January, there's nothing wrong with that for us. And Dan's never been to Florida. I've been one time, and it was on the other side, like on the Atlantic side. I've never been to the Gulf side. So we're looking forward to that as well.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we looking forward to seeing? We kind of have been keeping an eye on the news and what people are saying and what manufacturers are saying. And we've got a short list. We're going to share just a few highlights from that with you. So let's jump right in. Top of our list is going to be Brinkley. Now, they're going to have 9 new floor plans there. 2 of them are going to be new models. They've got a new Model G, which is their toy hauler, and a new Model Z, their fifth wheel. Now, we really like Brinkley, so we're excited to see what these 2 models are.
Well, and one thing that's going to be really nice about Brinkley is that in Hershey, they only have a few models at the Hershey show, and then you have to go to the local general RV dealership that's like 15 minutes away to see like all of them. And so that's not super convenient. And so all of the Brinkleys are going to be in Tampa. And so that will be really, really nice.
Every single one. It's a huge Brinkley family reunion.
Yeah.
And we are going to check them all out.
We are. And then the next thing that we're excited about is the Grand Design.
Oh, yes,
they just have some new things coming out. One thing that we saw at Hershey that we loved was the LJMJ. If you're
super fun RV.
Yeah, really cool layout. If you're not familiar with the content creators, they have a channel, Less Junk, More Journey. They're awesome. They're a family of 4, and basically they teamed up with Grand Design to come up with their dream fifth wheel, and this is what they came up with. And if you haven't seen the video or the review for that, we actually have one from the Hershey show that we can link below. And they just came up with some really innovative ideas, and so we found out that they are going to have some different versions of this. Is that right?
Yeah, like maybe some new features in the model, something like that. So we're looking forward to that. Of course, Grand Design is also doing some new standards with their Solitude line, which the LJMJ is one of, and also the Influence line. So they're going to get a new beefy frame. They're calling it the Omega frame. This thing is, well, I'm going to, Darcy doesn't want me to get off track here, but I've got to show you. This is an Influence model. Here's its gross vehicle weight, 18,000 pounds. Unloaded, it's 12,100 pounds. That's 5,900 pounds of cargo capacity.
It's huge.
That's
I mean,
yeah, that's just
considering
one
that we're like stretching ourselves in our little well, it's not a little, but I mean our medium-sized Jayco, and what's our?
Not even close.
Yeah, it's like I think we have like 12 or 1,300 pounds.
13,
It's like,
something like that.
so anyway, it is impressive, and we're gonna
my
bring you
gosh,
all this
yeah.
information in a future video.
Yeah, so we're looking forward to that. Heavy duty frame, independent suspension. We'll give you more of those details, but yeah, Grand Design. I don't think they were really closer to the top of our list not too long ago. We started with the Grand Design and we loved it. But, you know, after some of the issues that they kind of became the kicking, the easy kicking target for a lot of the frame issues. And but they've come around.
They've redeemed themselves in a lot of ways, and so we will look at them in Tampa with a new eye.
Or 2 or 3 or 4.
Yeah. So the next thing we're going to look at are the Alliance brands. Of course, they have quite a few brands, or quite a few models, but they have been pretty, I mean, close-lipped about anything new that's coming out. So we're even wondering if there is anything new.
We haven't seen any buzz with. Like,
no,
this
not
is their
really.
webpage. This is the Alliance webpage. It says, "We'll be here. Here's our cinnamon roll designed."
He added the cinnamon roll.
You know,
part.
they used to circle the wagons back in Pioneer days.
Yeah,
that's what this looks like. It looks like they circled the wagons.
But that's cool because that's the exact layout in Tampa, so you know where everything is. So that'll be really nice. So we're excited for the Alliance. And then, of course, Keystone. We spent way too much time in Keystone at Hershey, so I'm going to have to limit Dan. We were there for like 2 full days.
And they had so many fun things there.
Yeah.
So we loved, they had some really great new fresh floor plans, especially in the Cougar line. We love those.
Yeah.
Not so much in the Montana, but we didn't get to see everything either because you just
We looked at some toy haulers, but what Dan's really excited about is the Walkabout. It's this new model that they have. It's a travel trailer, but it is very, very unique, very outdoorsy. It'd be great like for hunters. They have, it has all sorts of cool little things. We're going to do a tour of it. So, I mean, obviously we haven't seen it yet, but we'll give you a hint. Boot warmers.
Yeah.
Or boot dryers and warmers.
Boot dryers.
Yeah, so that's we're excited to bring that one
and
to you.
here's a top-down view of their little
outdoor
outside sideboard thing. He has a little foldable insert sink there. But yeah, that's actually a pretty cool trailer. There's actually a local dealer that got the new 26. Is it the 26 Max? They just got that in, just barely. Down in Salt Lake City, and we're going to actually see it in Tampa before we get a chance to go down in Salt Lake to see it.
But we did watch the video from the guy in Salt Lake City, and it's pretty cool. So, okay, the last one, there's the boots.
We got to show let's see, how do I get back? Oh,
there you
there's
go.
the boot warmers. Yeah, you put them in this tray. It's got like a compartment. You close it, and there's like a little air blower that blows heated air through the compartment, helps dry your boots.
It's pretty cool.
Those,
so
they're going to have the guy that watches lakes. He's going to talk to you about...
one of the really famous content creators. Okay, we got to move on.
How to watch lakes. There's his dog. He never gets to play.
Leisure travel vans. I put this on... Oh, I think I just hit my microphone. Okay, leisure travel vans. I put this on the list because I saw them in Phoenix with my sister, and Dan wasn't there. We went to an RV show. I drug my sister to an RV show, and they were so cool. And so then we went to Hershey and saw them there, and we did a couple of videos, and the videos were...
a train wreck.
They were a hot mess. They were like our very first videos that we did, and we didn't know what we were doing. And not that we do now, but I mean, we really didn't know what we were doing. Plus, you know, I mean, anyway... We are going to do them justice this time, and we want to get at least 2 really good videos. They are great. They're out of Canada. They have some really unique designs and different modular kind of things that you can move around. Anyway, I just love them, and so I really, really, really want to do them justice this time.
Well, they're very popular with people that own them. They swear by them. The prices can get a little high.
Yeah.
But, you know, in this class, you tend to have some of those higher price points.
But they are, I mean, they're really cool.
They're really beautiful. Made.
Yeah.
So we'll get a chance to take a look, but they're going to have them all there.
Yes, they are going to have them all.
And all the Unity models are going to be there. That's
so if we
why
can
we're
even get
excited
two,
to check it out.
if we can get 2 good videos of them, well, I mean, we can't spend a lot of time there, but anyway, that's my goal is 2.
I think.
So, okay, so overall, what we want to see at the show, we've been kind of obsessed lately with dual suites, like 2 full bedrooms, 2 full baths. So we always like to take a look at those and see how they compare with each other. So we'll probably be looking at some of those.
Yeah, we do like 2 rooms. And there's a lot of new models coming out with 2 rooms. I think more families are starting to camp and having members like a mother-in-law or a sibling or adult family friend couple stay. And so those 2-room models do make a lot of sense. And they're actually starting to have seating for those.
Yeah, no, right, exactly. Also, we are going to, we love toy haulers. We think that they are really coming, I don't know, doing a better job with toy haulers. We saw some in Hershey with the side patio. One thing that I have always thought was ridiculous about toy haulers, it's like, sleeps 12, seats 2.
Yep, seating
is a huge issue. And so a lot of times, now recently we've seen them take out the dinette. And so they have this super couch and just some more different ways of making toy haulers work for, differently, I guess.
Yeah.
And then we just love innovative, different floor plans that are unique in some way. Our highest viewed video is the 3-bedroom open range from the Hershey show, and it is
3X
yes,
series,
the 3X.
Yep.
It is so cool. If you haven't seen that video, you should go take a look.
That is still our favorite 3-bedroom.
It is.
Now, we've seen a few manufacturers with a couple twists on that design, but none of them are like this. That is still our favorite.
You'll hear me if you watch the video. You'll hear me as we walk in. I say 3-bedroom. Yeah, we'll see. It's a 3-bedroom.
It is a legit.
It is a legit 3-bedroom.
With its own bathroom.
Yeah.
An actual Jack and Jill bathroom, which we learned is its own special term.
Yeah, we've been using Jack and Jill inappropriately, so we need to say dual entry bathroom, not Jack and Jill.
But if it's 2 bedrooms connected to it, then it's a Jack and Jill.
So that is really a Jack and Jill. Okay, we're totally off topic now. But anyway, we like things that are different and unique as far as floor plans.
Yeah, we hope to find some more fun stuff there. So we're going to miss a lot of it, just like we did at Hershey, but we'll do our best to try to dig out the gold nuggets and share those with you.
Yeah, it's fun. So if you see us in Tampa, if you're going to be at the show, please say hello. We are not going to be wearing our Rambling Roses stuff. We kind of learned at Hershey that it can make people kind of mad if you're YouTubing. If you're just videoing for yourself, it's fine.
Everyone's fine with that. But if they know you're videoing for a channel, not that no one even knows who we are. We barely know who we are.
Yeah.
But if you're doing that, then suddenly you're the enemy of state.
We're just going to be incognito. So if you see us, say hi, please yell our names from like far away or tap us on the shoulder if you're close up. We would love to meet any subscribers.
And
so
we will give you a sticker.
Yeah, we have stickers. We'll have stickers with us.
So
woo, stickers.
And they're actually really good.
They are. They're nice stickers. We like our logo. We think it's kind of fun. We created it ourselves. We didn't have anybody else create it, and we think we did a pretty good job.
The buck stops here.
If you think it sucks, it's us. So anyway, also just a couple more things. If there's something that you would like us to look at while we are in Tampa, please drop a comment below, and we are happy to go do a walkthrough of anything that is there you are interested in.
If you know something secret that's going to be coming out there or something,
let us know.
Yeah, send us a little heads up, and we won't talk about it before the show, but we definitely want to check it out.
And if you've been to Tampa before, even if you're not going, but you've been, if you have some like special suggestions for us of things to do in Tampa, or secrets about the show that we need to know. We know to wear good shoes. We got good shoes. So, but other than that, if you have anything that you want to tell us, drop it in the comments. We read them all the time. So anyway, with that, do you have anything else, honey?
No, thanks for watching.
Yeah.
And please take a minute to like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. If you're new to the channel, thanks for watching. We appreciate every single one of you that watches the video, and especially a big thank you to those who subscribe.
Yeah.
So next time we come here, we'll be at the Tampa show, and until then,
keep it campy.
Bye.
Bye.